A warmly good morning to all of you. I hope everybody is safe and healthy. Today we will going to start our fourth lesson of conversation, that is a talking scene in the class. Okay. So here first part is Geeta. Geeta said, Mohit, please show me your mathematics homework notebook. I could not solve one of the sums. Then Mohit said, no, I won't show you my homework notebook. You should do it yourself. Then Deepa said, Mohit, that's not nice. Geeta only want to find out where she made the mistake. I don't think she want to copy your homework. Then Deepa said, Geeta, if you want, you can have a look at my notebook. Then Geeta said, thanks, Deepa. This type of situation was also happening in your classroom. I hope you better understand this. Now, second part, Mohit. Raju, what have you bought for lunch today? Then Raju said, I have bought an apple and a vegetable patties. Then Amit replied, and I have bought a banana and potato cutlets. Then Mohit said, I have bought some biscuits and orange. Shall we share our lunch? Then Raju said, oh yes, Mohit, that would be great. Now third part, the teacher enters the class. Okay. Students, good morning, madam. Then teacher said, good morning, children. Please take your seat. Have you all done your homework? Then student replied collectively, yes, ma'am. Okay, then teacher said, those who have not done their homework may please raise their hands. So it is the four of you. Well, you will have to complete your work during the recess period. Then student, four of them said, yes, madam. Then teacher said, you must submit the work before the school is over. Then student, one of the four said, madam, whom should we submit it to? Then teacher said, bring it all together to the staff room. Now turn the page. Then student, four of them said, okay, ma'am. Then Mohit said, madam, Geeta wanted to copy my homework. Then Deepa said, no, madam, it's not true. Geeta only want to check one of her sums where she went wrong. Then teacher said, well, Mohit, you shouldn't complain about Geeta. I could have punished her for your wrong idea. Children, it is always good to help other if it doesn't harm. Okay. Then Mohit said, I am sorry, Geeta. Then Geeta said, never mind, Mohit. Then teacher at last said, let's start with our next topic. Here your lesson 4 is completed. Thank you.